Now we are going to create sidebar configurations. So this sidebar configuration, what happens? We can give detailing about the company. And what is the job recognition? These are all features which will actually impact. So we will be seeing all those things, but however, first we will create a sidebar configuration. I would say in the left-hand side. It will come like a sphere shape there. What about the company, about the job recognition? All those details will be fetched actually. However, when we are creating, everything. Finally, you will get to know what happens once we create external site. So process by process we are going, so it will impact. Okay. So create sidebar configuration. We can give welcome something like CO. Welcome. How come the text is auto-populating? Did you create something already? No, actually, this is default, it will come. We can give any text, whatever client says. Usually it happens. Okay, so I'm just trying to copy a few text. Other component CO. I'm just trying to copy that. Welcome. Like welcome message will be there. Welcome to our company. Something it will shape. So again, this will be given by client. No need to worry those implementation again. What needs to be, populated in the sidebar configuration, because that's important. Interviewer. When you're explaining interviews also, what you are done with external carrier site. You can tell them, like I have done, sidebar configuration, branding URL creations. A few other things. You can explain 1 or 2 concepts. Which those? Anyway, I'll guide you in the interview sections. So we'll put here. Here I'm putting again. I can add one more after this about the company, so I'll put about. You save the time. I'm just taking copy-pasting actually. Okay. Got it. And see here you can select the image. What about? So you can like logo, you can attach. Okay. There's also one more option that it is giving right prospect introduce. Yeah, that is different because what happens in external carrier site prospect. Introduce yourself, that will be there. But what happens? Once prospects in the opening, as I said, so that section will be, here only we will use this. That prospect introduce yourself. That will not use. To say this actually external carrier site, there is option. Wait, I'll show you. Prospect introduce here. Okay. It will have come here, so there's no need to do anything that. Okay. Okay. So here we are just introducing, or we are just telling about the company. About our company and how we are, so that we can market ourselves right about the company. That's what right. This is all about. So those things again. What is the logo convenient? Like you can put and in the external site. I am asking logo. Then we can use. Okay. We created our external carrier site sidebar configuration. We'll just close this tab. So we'll try to reflect this in the external while creating the external carrier site. As I said, we'll go on a sequential way. So see what happened. Even I would have created everything will have vanished, right? So that is the reason I have done this planning actually. Again, this is what it happens. Just a moment. Like. See, carrier sites are like. There are 3 types. Actually, one is external carrier sites, and one is internal carrier site. Okay. The other one is internal carrier site for non-workers. Non-workers in this sense like contractors, I would say internal carrier site for non-workers. So these are all we are going to configure, as if now we are looking into external carrier site. Yeah. So we are going to give the name. Carrier site. We can give ID. We can give SKC something we can give. I mean ID again. Client will give the ID actually. So we can populate this. You know different languages. Maybe Dutch, maybe Portuguese or something. France, Italy. These all the languages. You know it will populate actually. It's external carrier site. Okay. And when it comes to, embedded mode. So embedded mode. Why we select? We have to select this option. We would like this carrier site to be a part of some part of other big carrier site. Then we have to select this. If yes, you have to click on it, and if no, we want this to be a standalone carrier site. And then we don't have to check it if no. So this is just a standalone. You need not check it. You want it to be with the other carrier sites. You just have to check the box. See what? Yeah, that's true. See what happens also, We will create external carrier site. Once we click on that, it will go to work page right. Example. I'm telling so from there it is going to a different page, right? So that is what it means. So we have embedded the carrier site into big one. So like that again, client will tell what needs to be done, everything. Okay. And when it comes to publish site, if you can check this box, then what happens? What are the updates? We do everything that will appear actually. C. Please note that updates to be published external site may take up to 15 minutes to take effect. For example, when you do job posting in external carrier site. Let's say you are doing it. So you might be doing some changes. Okay,